Very good morning, dear friends. How are you all? Good? Very good. So, dear friends, in our previous lecture, we were talking about the derivation of the various equations of motion using the mathematical method. And today, our topic will be the same, but instead of mathematical method, we will be using what is called the graphical method to derive the equation of motion. Now, we all know that there are only three equations of motion that we are using. We will derive all the three equations of motion one by one using the graphical method. But as I am repeating again and again from the beginning itself that it is very important that whenever we go for any sort of derivation, first of all we should write an introduction. Now introduction will also remain same, but that introduction we will convert in the form of now a graph. So again, I will start with the first equation of motion and write the introduction. Introduction is same. Okay. Consider a body moving with initial velocity initial velocity of u meters per second. Same. After time t seconds, its velocity changes from u meters per second to v meters per second. Clear? And during this time, the body covers a distance of s meters. Now, if acceleration remains uniform, then now this is our normal introduction which we are writing for deriving all the sort of equations of motion. But this we have to now convert into graph. Clear? Whenever we talk about the graph, now you can easily understand that in this particular case, we are talking about velocity and time graph. This is a velocity and time graph. And always the velocity is represented along what is called y-axis, and always the time is represented along x-axis. Now, if a body, suppose, starts from rest, obviously it will start from here because at that time it is having no velocity, that means velocity is zero because it is at rest. The velocity is zero, so it will start from here. But what we have written, moving with initial velocity of u meters per second. Initial velocity of u meters per second, that means it is not zero. So it is starting from some velocity, some point which is you can say u meters per second, and this is my point, let us say A. Is it clear? Now after time t seconds, now see, because the vehicle is moving, obviously after time t it will cover some distance, and because we are considering the acceleration remains uniform and the velocity changes from u meters to v meters, velocity changes from u meters to v meters per second. So if it is u, v will be somewhere here. So if this is my v meters per second, then this will be the graph which will be representing this type of motion. So body starts from A with a velocity of u meters per second, and after time t seconds it reaches the position B where its velocity is v meters per second. Any doubt about the diagram? ये आप लोगों ने पहले भी किया हुआ है in 9th. So we will just draw two perpendiculars from here to here and from here to here, and let us mark it as C. This is obviously O, and let it be D. Any doubt? Is it clear? Okay. So let us proceed as usual with the same concept when we talk about the derivation of first equation of motion. We are talking about, very good, we are talking about acceleration, and in this case we know that acceleration will be equal to the slope of line AB. What is the slope of this line? That is perpendicular by base. This is the slope of the line AB. So that means A is equal to perpendicular, which is BC, over the base, which is AC. Any doubt? Now what is BC? BC is this distance. Now you can very well understand this total is V and this small distance is U. Sorry, this small is U. So what will be BC? Shabash. It will be V minus U. So what I will get? A is equal to V minus U divided by AC. And what is AC? Obviously it is the time. It is the time. So straight away if we cross multiply, I get AT is equal to V minus U, and when you take this U here, what you get? U plus AT is equal to V, and what is this? This is nothing but the first equation of motion. Any doubt? Is it clear? Very good. Shabash. If you have any doubt, you can just rewind the video and you can just go through that concept again. Now, after completing the first equation of motion, we proceed in the derivation of second equation of motion, and all of us know that second equation of motion is S is equal to ut plus half at square, and this is what we have to derive. Acha, introduction will remain same, graph will also remain same. Why I am not telling is, suppose in a question paper you get the derivation of a single equation of motion. Obviously you have to write introduction, so that introduction will be same, graph will be also same. So I will not write it, but you have to write in your concept. Okay. we can clearly see that second equation of motion talks about the distance. It talks about the distance. Now, in graphical concept, the distance is represented by the area which is under velocity time graph. Area under velocity time graph. Now, this is the velocity time graph. And what is the area under this graph? This is this entire area. This is the area under the velocity time graph. That means S is equal to area of O, A, B, D, O. O, A, B, D, O. Now, everybody can know and everybody can tell me what is O, A, B, D, O. Very good. O, A, B, D, O is a trapezium. It is a trapezium. O, A, B, D, O. It is a trapezium. Shabash. So, distance is the area under velocity time graph, and velocity time graph will be O, A, B, D, O, and that is a trapezium. And mathematicians, you know what is the area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium is very good. Shabash. Area of the trapezium is half multiplied by the sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Very good. That means the distance between the parallel sides. Now, in this trapezium, everybody knows that these are the two parallel lines and this is the distance between them. So, it means what will be my S is equal to half into, first of all, OA plus, very good, BD into, shabash, OD, very good. Because sum of the parallel side, the first parallel side is this, that means OA. The second parallel side is this, it means BD. And what is the distance between these two sides? That is OD. So directly you can put these values and your derivation is over. So S is equal to half into OA plus BD into T. Now again it will continue like what we did in the mathematical section, because again you can see we don't want V, तो वही mathematical concept दोबारे आ जाएगा इसके आगे. So after this you will continue in the same fashion as we have done in the mathematical section. So what we will do, we will write eliminate what? Eliminate V. कैसे? By using first equation of motion. And what is that? V is equal to U plus AT. So what will be? S is equal to half into U plus AT into T. Is it clear, my dear friends? So simple mathematics, you can solve it, but because I have to complete, I just complete it. And if you have any doubt, you can come back to me through your comments. And we are there to help you out, no problem at all. So don't get any panic any confusion. But yes, you should keep on what we call practicing, so that your that confidence does not go out. So once you keep up with the confidence, our purpose will be solved. So 2 cancels with 2, and what we get? S is equal to ut plus half at square. And what is this? This is your second equation of motion. Any doubt, my dear friends? You can do one thing. Third equation of motion, you can try yourself. Introduction will remain same. Graph will also remain same. Again, you can see that the third equation of motion, which is v square minus u square is equal to 2as, is also talking about distance. Is also talking about distance. तो बेटा क्या करेंगे? The distance will be used as we have used in this second equation of motion. As we have used in the second equation of motion, same thing. But because in this equation we want v, so we will not eliminate v. But what we don't want? P. So we will eliminate t. देखिए, I will write directly. You all know it. We know that distance is equal to area of trapezium OABDO. So S is equal to half of OA plus BD into OD. So S is equal to half of U plus V and into T. तो यहाँ पर क्या करना है? Because we don't want T in this equation, so we will eliminate T. So what we will write? Eliminate T again by using first equation of motion. And what is that? V is equal to U plus AT. So what will be T equal to, my dear friends? V minus U by A. V minus U by A. This value of T we will put here, and then what will happen? Let us see. Is it clear? So T will be V minus U by A. V minus U by A. So S is equal to half into V plus U, and instead of T we are writing V minus U by A. Cross multiply, and what is this? A plus B into A minus B. So what will happen? 2AS is equal to A plus B into A minus B. That means 2AS is equal to A square minus B square. Very, very easy concepts of derivation. Only thing that you need is practice. And yes, develop the confidence. Your confidence is my confidence. Your confidence is my confidence. So develop your confidence, get the command over the subject, and definitely you will be successful. So all the very best tomorrow we will be starting with the calculus method, one of the very important method, and that is something which is new for your plus one, because earlier two methods, even mathematical and graphical, this we have already done in our previous classes. So this concept was bit easy, that is also easy, but that method is new, and that is the reason why we have discussed about the concept of differentiation in our previous lecture. थोड़ा सा आपको डिफरेंशिएशन बताया है, and small introduction I will give you about integration also. It is again a mathematical concept, but till that time take very good care of yourself, enjoy your studies, and all the very best. God bless you all.